Namaste. We will continue the conversation with Sri T.A. Venkateswaran garu, alias Ramanan, about many things the world does not know about the great master, the great soul, a divine avatar, Sadguru Sivananda Murty garu. Namaste.
Namaste, Sastry.
Now I want to about many things world has known, about the things which nobody knows. I want you to spare your valuable time and tell us about it. One thing I want to know. Sivananda Murty garu himself told me that he has been coming and going to the world, to this world. He himself has appeared several times, manifested himself and lived many times. And I think there was an instance where he himself has taken people to a place where he was earlier, a picture of him exact having a resemblance to him, and he is being worshipped even now. So when it is a fact, recorded fact, also confirmed by him, that he has been coming and going, what is so special about this particular manifestation, about the divinity aspect? Did he ever tell you about this?
Yes, he told me. Okay, a time has come to share this.
Please.
He was lying on his bed and said these words to me.
Where is it? In
Bhimilipatnam.
When was it?
I don't remember the year.
Approximately?
Approximately 2000.
Okay. What was the occasion?
No, meeting him was the occasion.
Okay.
And on his own he opened up. Without prompted by any question, he opened up. Ramanan, I have, for centuries, I have ruled several kingdoms in India. First, he drops a sentence like this.
Yes.
Immediately I sat up, alert, what is going to. For centuries, I have ruled several kingdoms in India. Number one. Whatever I wanted, I got it. I got them all through yajnams.
I see.
Health, wealth, everything like that. And then I have been a personal witness to the atrocities of the Islamic marauders in India. My wife too was one. How he described how she escaped and hid herself in a Durga temple, small Durga temple, how she was saved, all that he told me. Why did you choose the form of a king? And I asked him.
While being a king, he underwent that? I see.
Why did you choose the form of a king? And I asked him. He said, even though I was a king, I was a guru all the time. Even when I came down as a king, I was the guru. And if you are a king, you have the facility of not being disturbed.
Yes.
That enabled me to do my work comfortably in the manner I wanted. There is nothing that I do not know about this country. I have been a personal witness. There was a break. Then I wanted to take him further.
I see.
Or earlier. When did you come down first? I asked him. That's a very, very long story. No, sir, don't mistake me. Anything would have a beginning. Even in this world has a beginning. Like that I am asking you. Ante, no, Ramanan, that's a long story. I will put it this way. ఏమన్నారంటే ఒక సెంటెన్స్, మై గుడ్నెస్, కార్లో ఇది ఈ సెంటెన్స్ he said in a car when I was sitting next to him. I am the primordial soul. I am the Pratama Sishyak of Maitreya అన్నారు ఇలాగ చేయిపెట్టి.
Prathama?
Sishyak of Maitreya. ఇంకా still I remember I'm sitting like this, Sastry garu, in the car. He was next to me. Then ఇలాగ వచ్చారు నా దగ్గర, ఇట్లాగ వచ్చి, I am the primordial soul, I am the prathama shishyak of Maitreya అన్నారు. If I come back to Bhimili, when did you see him, sir? When did you see him first? When I was sitting under a tree and I was levitating, he came to me. Another. Why is it that he came to you at that time? No, for several births, my Guru allowed me to enjoy all the pleasures of life. I never knew sickness, I never knew poverty, and I never knew death. I never died. I always left my body and merged my spirit in the Panchaputas, like that. Then, after 10 such births, he came to me. I realized that he was my Guru. I realized later that he was in me. Further, I realized that he is no different from me. అన్నారు. ఎట్లా ఉంది ఈ స్టేట్మెంట్ చూడండి, ఎంత చెప్పారు. Generally, it takes me 2 years to come down again. అదొక మాట అన్నారు. Shall I say further? I have deposited my original body in a cave in Nanda Devi.
In?
Nanda Devi.
Nanda Devi.
It is not physically accessible. Maybe if you are fortunate, you can shift the location of your consciousness and see that my original body is there. This time, I am coming to your question now. This time, my Guru said, how it works ante, before Maitreya, a few people will be sitting all in silence. One of them will get a thought, only a thought. With that thought, he has to come down. That is how Adi Shankara came down.
Okay.
His name is different there.
Okay.
Here he is Shankara, his name is different there. Advaita established Shivasthanani. My scheme was different. My Guru told me that this will not work. I am recording it. My Guru told me that this will not work. I touched his feet and came down. Not because I was confident of success, but because I was not afraid of failure.
Wow.
Ide ayana namata verbatim. So after this, I cannot come down like this again at all. I am generally inaccessible as a Guru. Very serious. This was for a purpose where the Kali Prabhavam has hit people very badly. Unless I speak their language, unless I behave like one among them,
Yes.
they will not find taste for the truth.
Yes.
That is why the design is like this.
Yes.
Fundamentally, fundamentally, I have kept myself as a human being. Other things are behind. Then look at this, from where he goes to where. See, you are such a colossus, you are beyond description. How come you behave so ordinarily among us అని అడిగాను. దానికి ఒక ఆన్సర్ చెప్పారు. ఎవ్రీ డే ఐ థింక్ అబౌట్ దట్ సెంటెన్స్. శాస్త్రి గారు ఆయన చెప్పారు, అట్ ది మోస్ట్ యూ కెన్ కాల్ యువర్ సెల్ఫ్ ఎ హ్యూమన్ బీయింగ్, ఈవెన్ దట్ ఈస్ అ టాల్ క్లెయిమ్ అన్నారు. నాకు ఎప్పుడు నా గురించి ఏమో ఆహా ఓహో అని వచ్చిందని రాదు. దాన్ని చక్కగా చేశారు. He has destroyed all those concrete concepts. వస్తే ఈ సెంటెన్స్ పైకి వస్తుందండి. At the most you can call yourself a human being. Even that is a tall claim అన్నారు. సత్యేంద్ర బాబు అట్లా ఉంది. That is how do you describe him? I discourage people describing him. How can you describe him?
You cannot.
How do you describe space?
It is avyakta.
So
Okay, I have a doubt here. Hitherto I have been thinking that, and at one time he also, I remember he's telling something in some context. There is an order of gurus. All are equal by themselves. Everyone is equal. But there is also a Paramguru, is like first among the equals. And they take care of the world as it is. And sometimes whenever some correction is needed, one of them comes in a human form, does that, goes back. And what is to be done, who has to go, what is to be done, it will be decided by that order. I don't claim that was told by Guruji, but this is what I believed so far. And there is somebody who said, there was somebody who I saw our Sivananda Murty gari photograph and said he is our Paramguru. Like that some yogin has said. That's how there was a record of that. So if he is a Paramguru, and some say that Trailinga Swamy is a Paramguru, and our Guruji is another manifestation of Trailinga Swamy, some people say. People like our Raghavendran say he is Maitreya Maharshi himself, is a manifestation of Maitreya. But here, from what he told you, he is a disciple of one Guru, and he was acting at his behest. Of course, he, like everyone sees Paramatma in himself, or realizes that is understandable. But here, is there any contradiction, or my understanding is wrong?
No. It is your understanding is not wrong, and there is no contradiction.
Can you explain what he told you?
There is a subtle thing about it. Now I will keep answering, because you have a lot of questions in these sentences which you spoke. If I miss anything, please remind me. Okay. Right. Number one, in Bengal there is a place called Serampur. Serampur. I have been to that place. His photograph is there. I took a picture also. I don't know what happened to that later. They have removed it now.
Okay.
And he said that was a bridge between Babaji and Lahari Mahasaya. I asked him, Cheptar, there are two things which I cannot understand totally. Is one, how did he speak all these things to me? Second thing is,
so that the world will know someday.
Ram.
That's the purpose.
Then he never said, I will tell you later. ఇప్పుడు తెలుసుకొని ఏం చేస్తావు, ఎప్పుడు చెప్పలేదు. If the atmosphere
you are his chronicler.
If the atmosphere is conducive, he would answer me immediately. So that was one. Another interesting thing is, when we went to Rajasthan, oh my goodness, I think it was in Jaipur Museum. అక్కడ వెళ్ళి చూస్తే ఇంత పెద్ద పోర్ట్రేట్ శాస్త్రి గారు విత్ స్పెక్స్ ఇలాగా ఆయన కూర్చుంటారు కదా. టోటల్ రిసెంబ్లెన్స్ అండి. యూ డోంట్ హ్యావ్ టు ఇమాజిన్. ఐ వాజ్ వండర్ స్ట్రక్ బై దట్.
Was it the king he mentioned?
That is one of the kings he mentioned.
Okay.
And that was the king. When he had to go to London, he carried big silver pots of Ganga. That pot is there. You can't call it a pot.
Yes.
It's a room. It's a huge room. Like that. But that resemblance was astounding. Okay. So, two I have seen. Then third thing, Jageshwar. Jageshwarlo, there is a story that a yogi called Retpuri Baba, who was also known as Riddhi Baba, lived there. 500 years ago. And he disappeared from that place. He got himself buried. Close it with a stone and don't disturb me till I tell you. But after a few days there was a commotion. Maybe he is dead, then we will be found guilty. So they removed the slab. He was not to be seen there. And then after that he was seen in Kumbh Mela in Haridwar. Then all these people prayed. Then he said, okay, I will be available in Jageshwar temple for 3 hours, any 3 hours during every day. అని ప్రామిస్ ఇచ్చారు. ఆ చోట్ల ఇప్పుడు గురుగారు ఒక విగ్రహం పెట్టారు, మన విఠల్ పెట్టేశారు. వెనకాల ఉంది చిన్న సమాధి ఉంది. ఓకేయా, దిస్ డీటెయిల్ జాగేశ్వర్ పూజారీస్ were able to give.
Yes.
But the other details, Guruji gave. Can you tell me about this Redpuri Baba? అని అడిగాను ఆయన. Yeah. Okay. He resembled Trailinga Swamy అన్నారు. Number 1. He was a Digambara. జాగేశ్వర్లో ఇమాజిన్ a Digambara.
Yes.
ఆ చలిలో. Then he used to come by horse or by walk sometimes. And he had disciples. He used to teach them something. And once in 3 months or so, he used to come to check their progress, what they are doing. The small lingams, you have been to Jageshwar Gada.
Yes.
The small lingams which you are seeing were all worshipped by the disciples. Some of them left their jiva inside that lingam, and some became a lingam itself. ఇది అక్కడ, ఇది ఎవరికి తెలియదు. ఆ జాగేశ్వర్ పురాణంలో లేదు. And the pujaris there, they do not know. Only I told them what Guruji told them. Why not straight away say that you were him? And again, why not straight away tell me that you were him? And welfare. Okay, a smile of acknowledgement. Okay, ఇది ఒక సీన్. హోసూర్లో ఒక రెస్టారెంట్లో కూర్చున్నాం. నామకల్లో ఎక్కడో వెళ్ళి వస్తున్నప్పుడు లెట్స్ హ్యావ్ సమ్ కాఫీ అన్నారు. ఓకే, నేను ఎదుర్కొంటా కూర్చున్నాను. ఐఎమ్ హ్యావింగ్ కాఫీ విత్ హిమ్. కాఫీ విత్ డివినిటీ అనేది అయ్యో చూస్తే అన్యాయంగా ఉందండి. నథింగ్ వి డిజర్వ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ వి గాట్. అది సత్యవతి గారు ఇలాగ చేసి డబరా టంబ్లర్ ఉంది కదా చేసి ఇచ్చారు. యు నో సంథింగ్? ఏం సార్, I always needed a mother when I was 90 or when I was 180 అన్నారు. 180 అంటే త్రైలింగ స్వామి కదా. వెళ్ళు మోగింది. సో వితౌట్ మెన్షనింగ్ చూడండి ఆయన 180 అన్నారు. When you were 180, I asked him, I didn't mention Trailinga Swami. When you are 180, who gave you food? Annapurna.
And he was in Varanasi. He lived for 280 years.
Yeah, she used to come like a small girl and give me food. Annar.
So it's a unquestionable.
This is what I heard directly from him. There is nothing for inference.
Sorry.
This is one part.
He was residing in Varanasi.
What question I missed, you please remind me. I'll tell you. ఇది మొత్తం the photos చూసాను నేను. Trailinga Swami is straight away he confirmed.
Yes. Did he ever tell about this anything about Paramguru? And another thing, you should tell me, what is so significant about this July 14th, or where
July 11th.
People say he had the first vision of Paramguru. Who is that Paramguru and what is he?
Paramguru is Maharishi Maitreya.
Okay. Did he tell you about that?
Yes. He told me about that also. Okay. When he visited this Anandavanam for the first time, he came alone. He was looking at the place, and Paramguru appeared before him.
Yes.
Paramguru appeared before him. I will exist here. అని చెప్పారంట. The moment he went, he disappeared, he kept 3 bricks.
Where he stood.
That is where that Yoga Ganapati is standing. He said, 3 bricks I kept, there shall be a temple here. And that is where I did the Pratishtha of Yoga Ganapati. You know something? My Guru does not respond to prayers. He listens to silence. Or cryptic sentence చెప్పారు. ఒకటి. And he and Paramguru are not different అన్నది రెండవది.
Okay.
Did you know Babaji అని అడిగాను. Yes, he is my friend. I know him very well.
Avatar Babaji.
Avatar, Mahatar Babaji. I said,
he said he is his friend.
He...
And he is not he himself.
Wait. I'm coming to that. Where you said contradiction or misunderstanding.
Yes.
Neither that.
I see.
అది చెప్తానికి అది. Yes, I know him. He's my friend. అని వింటున్నాను. I take care of the teaching principle. He takes care of the action principle. Anar. This sentence he said. See, it will be a little difficult for you to understand, but listen to me. Moolava, Urchava అని ఉంటుంది కదా
Yes.
టెంపుల్లో. So if you take Paramguru, Maitreya as the Moolava.
Utsava is?
You can take me as the Utsava. You can take Babaji as the Utsava. I'm not different from Paramguru. I'm not different from Paramguru. And how can he be different from him? How can we be different from each other? Now, connect this to Serampur photo.
Yes.
The bridge between Babaji and Lahari Mahasaya. What does he do with Kriya Yoga? So అక్కడ ఉంది. ఇప్పుడు are not you are able to connect. అట్లా ఉంది. సో ఇది అనుభవంలో మనం తెలుసుకోవాలి. The only thing which
reveals in bits and pieces.
The only thing which we should
connect.
I have connected dots. For me, the 3 are not different.
I see. One and the same.
One and the same.
Doing several things.
Yes, several things. ఎందుకంటే how can
like
you say so?
This,
How can you say so? అంటే he has said. He has given me another sentence. Very nice of you. ఇంత గుర్తు వస్తుంది, లేకపోతే రాదు. The master comes down as 4 అంటున్నారు.
I see.
4 versions will happen at the same time. They exist at the same time. This time also it was like that. 3 have disappeared. I am here. I will also go. The passing away of Guruji is also a fact. You must be prepared for it, but you must not expect it. You must be prepared for it. Language. This is silken English.
Yes, really.
You must be prepared for it, but you must not expect it. So the 4, they take care of 4 aspects.
Can I ask you another question? Yes. Because only you, people like you, can answer.
Tell me.
From what you said earlier, it is clear that even though there were several manifestations earlier, this is something special. He came with a purpose. And he had a tremendous divine power in him to do anything, even to change the course of the universe.
Yes.
What exactly he did here? When I see the life of one Sivananda Murty, Kandukuri Sivananda Murty, son of Basavaraju, and he lived for 85 years. When I see it in a human form, with a human mind, he is a realized soul, like so many realized souls here. And he was there, he like Siddhartha, he relinquished everything, went on his own. joined police department, worked there a lot of time, wasted lot of time.
1 minute. I asked him, why did you join the police center? I always loved the danda.
That is another way of misleading us. Okay. So, too much of time he spent there. He took voluntary retirement. Afterwards, he set up a ashram in Bhimli. Even while he was in Kakinada, he was doing something. Even when he is Warangal, he is in suit and other things, attending to the regular work. Afterwards, maybe he established Gurudhams and gave discourses. He has tremendously transformed people like you and me. It was a man-making mission, working overtime. Maybe he must have set right thousands of some people like us. Okay. Afterwards, he was talking about God, country and nothing but country.
Nothing but country.
And he was talking, all his sayings were centering around dharma and about the dharma glani, about the way it is going down, about the way it should be held up. Like he was saying.
Yeah.
Till he breathed his last, he said that. Even then, and maybe he has instituted awards, he has given away awards. So perhaps up to some undeserving people also. That's it. Because when you view it ruthlessly from a worldly viewpoint, there are several things we can criticize about Sadguru Sivananda Murty. As a human form, as it occurs to a small human mind like me.
Yes.
And he passed away. He underwent a lot of torture. The person who could give moksha to so many people, who said that in a split second he can take you to the ultimate. And regarding our Krishnakant, Vice President, he said, I took him to the Shiva, took him by the hand and handed over to him, safely parked him in Kailash. He himself said. About his father, about his to everyone, even to about his mother, he has given moksha.
Yes.
Like Ramana Maharshi, he has given moksha to his own mother. Such a person suffered. We were crying, seeing his torture, unbelievable torture. We were praying that somehow he should either cure himself. He refused. All that happened. And suddenly he passed away. Of course, he did penance. He did. He gave away strength to person like Narendra Modi. He went to Varanasi in a very feeble condition. He worked like it, and he went to Raghavendran described everything. Okay, that is one. Okay, he has given to the country a person like Narendra Modi has given some divine power to bring him to. Okay. But the same claim can be made in regard to other rishis. They also said they have given their yogic power and their tapasvic thing to bring about this change. So you cannot say exclusively this is the doing of Ramana Sivananda Murty. So when you view it from this kind of a gutter level, you don't think something extraordinary or phenomenal about what he did. But according to you, he has come here with a purpose, he has been doing it, he is working overtime. It is not visible to us in human form. How do you explain it? What is it he has done while he spent 85 years here?
When you take Vasishtha Maharishi, it was the Kula Guru.
Yes.
It was he who gave the date for the coronation of Rama.
Yes.
It failed.
Yes.
Was Vasishtha wrong?
No.
Like that. When you come down as a human being, you have to go with the flow. Okay. You have to go with the flow. That is the front. We know, without meaning any disrespect, some acharyas come to Bhimili.
To
Guruji,
take his guidance.
But Guruji used to do the pranams.
Yes. Yes. That's Because with due respect to
respect
the
to that.
institution.
So, like that.
Even though they were performing, prepared to do Sastanga Namaskaram to him.
Yeah. Second thing. Third thing, you have seen some rascals coming and visiting Guruji.
Yes.
That's the
He was entertaining them.
minimum word.
Yes.
I can
Yes,
tell you.
really.
And he was entertaining them.
Yes.
And when I asked him, how, even for us, they are rascals.
Yes.
How do you entertain them? Ante, మీ ఇంటికి వచ్చి మంచినీళ్ళు అడిగితే ఇవ్వవా అన్నారు. దట్ ఈస్ వాట్ దే వాంట్, గివ్ దెమ్ అన్నారు. బట్ డస్ ఇట్ నాట్ సెండ్ అ రాంగ్ సిగ్నల్ టు దిస్? నో, బికాస్ టూ థింగ్స్ చెప్పారు. ఎ గురు ఈస్ ఎసెన్షియలీ నాన్ పర్టికులర్.
ఓకే.
ఐ హ్యావ్ టు బిహేవ్ ఇన్ సచ్ అ వే, సో ఐ ఇంప్రెస్ దమ్. అది ఉండనే కూడదు. ఐ నెవర్ ఇంప్రెస్ ఎనీబడి. యూ షుడ్ అబ్జర్వ్ and understand.
Okay.
For a devotee it is easy.
Yes.
Exact. Chudandi. For a devotee it is easy because he can weep and get whatever he wants. A disciple has to understand and follow him. That is difficult, but that is how one becomes a disciple. So like this Urchava Mulava, it is not so clear, but at the same time clear. It becomes clear when you accept it.
Yes.
Like that, here Guruji's work, outside, apparent, one.
Because we are human beings, we cannot see.
We cannot see beyond.
But did anybody give in, as far as your knowledge goes, did anybody observe or could say what is it he really did here?
What did
there must be something. Otherwise, he would not be wasting on small things like this.
Small thing. No.
So he must have done great thing for which we should be eternally grateful to him.
His essential, what shall I say, mission.
Yes. What is it?
Was about the country and dharma.
But country is still
No.
going
It will go through. You have come to the right question. I asked him, it has gone to dogs. Do you think it will be set all right now? Sure. It will become all right. This country has a great future.
Yes.
2032 Ugadi. Mark it, Anar.
2032.
Ugadi. Market. I am saying it on record.
Okay.
2032 Ugadi, you will see the U-turn. The biggest U-turn, decisive U-turn, positive U-turn the country will take. What will be the aspects which will make you believe that it is taking a U-turn? Number one, he said, the rich people will realize the futility of chasing richness. They will start giving away. This is the first thing. The second thing, religions which are now in total conflict will come to an understanding. A kind of a new religion will be born where there will be harmony and the accent will be on humaneness. These are the things. The third thing, how will it, నేను చెప్పాను సార్ మీరు చెప్తున్నారు అని నమ్ముతున్నాను కానీ బట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ బిలీవబుల్. హౌ విల్ దిస్ చేంజ్ కమ్ అంటే త్రూ మాస్ చేంజెస్ ఇన్ ది మైండ్. A mass of people, overnight there will be a change of heart. That is how a big change happens. And before, the third thing, understand this. Fourth thing is, before that we will go through lot of conflict and bloodshed also. Okay, I'll tell you this sentence of him, he said, the unseen hand of God will slap the earth across its face in the form of natural calamities and communal clashes. Tappadu అన్నారు. This is how it happens. మార్పు వస్తుంది, అట్లాగే వస్తుంది. But we should work towards it. We should work for it. ఎందుకంటే ఏదో ఎక్కడి నుంచో వస్తుంది అని కూర్చుంటే ఇప్పుడు ఉన్న వాళ్ళు పోతారు అంతే. Now our dharma is standing on a precipice.
Yes.
From here it has to go to the other side. It cannot walk. It cannot walk across. It has to only jump across. When you take this inevitable jump, certain portions of Sanatana Dharma will be lost to the world forever. It is for us to minimize the loss. That is his important mission. For him, the country and its dharma are not different.
Okay.
When it comes to person, when it comes to you and me, dharma and him, there is another sentence. Dharma is my ishtam, annar. Whatever I think, I feel is dharma. But when it comes to the country, it has its own set rules of dharma. It has a very well evolved structure, which is under threat now. What about other religions? One, Islam is a political religion. Christianity is a social religion. Hinduism alone is the spiritual religion. So that will survive. Whatever threats it is undergoing now cannot even cause a dent on the massive ship of Sanatana Dharma. Anar. You may find it difficult to believe, that is how it will be. The threatening religion will be wiped off the face of earth. Anar. The other religion will be reduced to a minority in this world. That is how things will happen. 2032 is not far off, Sastry Garu. We will be there to see it. You shall witness the future of this country, Annar. He has promised me. We will.
He told me also, I perfectly understand this.
Oh.
But there was a small difference. Of course, this is what I heard from him. I was made by him.
No.
And today what I am, I am his product. They were about the dharma, he drilled in my mind.
No.
He shaped me. And gave me a kind of a mission. I feel it, feel his presence every minute. And
Yes.
I am derive my strength out from
Yes,
him.
yes.
That's not a problem. But here, still, and he told us, I clearly remember he saying that 2022 or 2023 is a kind of a U-turn where India, you feel it will be on the way to become a superpower.
Yes.
It will rule the world.
Yes.
It will and all the other religions will fall by wayside. India and its spiritual strength, the whole world looks to it for guidance.
Yes.
So its earlier glory will be revived, he said.
India.
And because 2023 is not far off, you have postponed it. 33 is, I am depressed because I am already 70.
No.
Because I have to wait for another and I don't think I will last that much.
You will.
Why, he told me you will see it in your own eyes.
Yes.
So that means now I have an extension of another 30
Yeah,
years.
you will.
Okay, it's
You
all right.
will see. But to the 2023, if he has told you, you will see certain significant changes.
Because he
Already
said
they
it's a
already they are
slow
happening.
process, he said.
Before the Ayodhya issue,
Yes.
when they were talking about it, no, but that mosque is there now. I don't see
I
any
don't
mosque
see, he
there,
said.
Anarkata. And today, what is Ayodhya?
Yes.
And today, how Kashi is becoming.
Yes. Yes. Okay.
Like
But still,
the vision of Ahilya by Holkar
yes.
is being realized now.
But still, I am still skeptical. Because people like you only can enlighten. That's why I am persistent. Even then, from what he told you, all this, I don't see any need or rational or some logic for the existence of Sivananda Murty Garu in this. Because he was making his entry in some 1920s and made his departure exit in 2015. Still the appointed time is 2033. Until then the country is supposed to go through the process, natural course, etc. And when it is destined to pass through everything, he could have easily influenced it with a remote control sitting in the high heavens.
No.
What was the special thing that drawn him to the
I'll tell you.
world?
It is not, if it is for granting self-realization, he need not have come down. Because he told me,
Yes.
I can give this so-called self-realization to 100 people
Yes, at a time.
sitting there
Yes.
without lifting the left little
Yes,
finger
yes,
of my
yes,
left
yes,
hand
yes,
అని ఎలాగ
yes,
చూపించారు.
yes.
సో దానికోసం రాలేదు. బట్ అట్ ది సేమ్ టైమ్ టు వన్ ఆఫ్ హిస్ మిషన్స్ వాస్ టు మెయింటైన్ ది పాత్ ఫర్ ది సాధక్స్.
Yes.
If you are associated with him, if you are accepted by him, then your spiritual path is made. That is one thing. So when it comes to the country, he's very jovially but seriously he said, no, we have to commit more mistakes. Yes, sir. No, seriously, Ramanan, we have to commit more mistakes. Then only the pendulum will come to the center.
Oh, I see.
No. And again,
I see.
mind you, this time cycle, yuga cycle, it is not round. It is like a pendulum only. It is like a pendulum only. So the time has to be ripe. So when the rot sets in and it goes beyond a degree, change will happen. I'll tell you one simple example. The changes which have happened in science and technology, the scientists themselves give you a scale. Oh, you know what's the scale? Right from the Big Bang to this day, take it as a scale of 24 hours. Ante ayindi anukondi. Big Bang to present day, when I am sitting with the smiling Sastry garu, it is 24 hours. But whatever has happened in the field of science and technology has happened in less than a minute. That is in the time scale. For a material manifestation, a development and growth, only this much time has taken. How this will happen, ante that is the biggest thing. Change of mind. మనసులో మార్పు వస్తుంది ఆన్ అ మాస్ స్కేల్. వెయిట్ అండ్ సీ అన్నారు. అది ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ అ ప్రెడిక్షన్. ఇఫ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ అ ప్రెడిక్షన్, there is nothing greatly special about him. It is an ordainment by him. It is an arrangement by him. It is a technique evolved by him. It is a plan conceived by him. అలాగ అండర్స్టాండ్ చేసుకుంటే ఇట్ విల్ బి క్లియర్.
బట్ థింగ్ ఈజ్ దట్స్ ఓకే, బట్ హీ ఈజ్ ఏ మాస్టర్ మ్యానిపులేటర్. And he is very extremely ingenious in covering up his tracks. He will no, even if you closely observe him, he will not. Somehow he escapes.
అందుకే
and he makes every pretense to say that he is human.
Yes.
So all kinds of human frailties also. Because for instance, I made it a point, being an editor, there were several occasions when the whole country is tense about some election or some happening. I never asked him what will happen, because I am sure whatever he says will go wrong. So, the foolish people asked him, like Krishnakant becoming president, he said he will become president. He did not.
No, he did not.
About election results also.
Yes.
Because in a human form, he is making some, because they asked a silly question, he is asking giving a silly answer. You should not give it. So by these things, he is making you feel that he is human. But essentially, he is superhuman. He is divine in form, a divinity in absolute form. Okay. Then, even though you may not have noticed, you may not have, he has not allowed you to
notice.
That doesn't mean, since you do not know, that he has not done anything. He must have done something which you may not know. But I get a doubt here. Once he told me that it is very easy to talk to Ganapati, converse with him, and I spoke to him, I asked him something, he said, in one day, in one mood, he said, I asked Indra like this, I took strength here, I took some Maharshi, I took a strength there, and then created something, and gave birth at a particular time. I think 12 or 14, he said. Simultaneously, I saw that 14 people are born almost at the same time, and they will attain their manhood in 20 years, and then the work will start, he said, something in an unexpected mode.
Yeah.
So that was he allowed a peep.
Yes.
He won't say anything or out of the way or something.
Yeah, but
like this, he must have done several things.
Yeah.
Any idea?
This aspect he told me also.
Please tell us.
He said...
Let us try to explore the secret phenomenon.
Okay. Let me get it out of the bag. Okay. About the 14 people he told me.
Yes.
Some people said 12, some 13, but
yes.
he told me 14.
Yes.
They will come down.
Yes.
They will not know who they were.
Yes.
That is the design.
Yeah, yes.
They will not know who they were and our man will not allow them to know.
Yes,
so, and they will start their work. One could be a scientist, another could be a singer.
Yes.
Like that they will come. But they are going to do the work. You will meet some of them. Okay, Anna.
I am told one of the boys was born in a person close to his circle.
Undoch. I have heard from others,
yes.
But from him I have not heard.
Mention the name.
Out of the 14, when I know, out of the 14, when 2 or 3 were born, he told me, they have come down.
I see. And another thing, sometime when our people were on a pilgrimage, somewhere, I think it was Adinayana Murty who told me, all of a sudden he stopped the vehicle, went down, there was a pool of water, some river or something. He said, did something and said, this is the time when a great person has been born. I brought him into existence. Something he said like that.
Could be. Could very well be.
So there was a great scheme behind it. Kind of engineering.
Yeah, you used some loving words about him.
Yes.
Manipulator.
Great engineer. Social engineering.
Yes, social engineering.
Genetic engineering.
Like that, he is a schemer also.
Yes.
So even with regard to us, he would say, I will destroy all your negative samskaras.
Yes.
Retain the positive ones. Why not? For my own sake, I will do what I want to with them.
I see.
I will do what I want to with them. Enter. So about the 14, this is the thing he has told me. What else you asked me? I missed one of your questions.
The thing is, like a peep allowed to me that he gave birth to 14 people, selected his DNA, their DNA was all carefully designed by him according to his own statement.
Yes.
Like that, he must have done several more things while in this form. Did anybody give at any time any clue to what he really did? Visible to our mind or
not visible to our observation, but he made the revelation and smiled away.
I see.
Say, he manifested 7 of his previous bodies.
Really?
Yeah. He told
when
me.
Was it?
Told me, otherwise I would know. In this birth only or before. He manifested 7 of his previous bodies, made them talk to each other. We are sitting like, what will you say? We can't describe his greatness, nor our foolishness. Both are monumental.
There was a film called Jagadeka Veerudu, where the same form person gets manifested in 5 parts and plays one different musical instrument.
Idi chudandi, 7 of them brought and they made them talk to each other.
Was there any purpose?
There is no experiment. Yogic experiment. Can I tell you one more thing?
Please.
When we were standing at Vriddha Jageshwar, he started speaking about Trailinga Swamy. There is not even a single peak where Trailinga Swamy has not put his foot. We were
told all his lifetime was spent in Varanasi.
ఇక్కడ కూర్చుంటారంట. ఇది ఇక్కడి నుంచి కైలాష్ రీజన్ చూడాలని, అది బాగుంటుందని చెప్తారని Trailinga Swamy sat with eyes open for 6 months. For 6 months, with eyes open, he was sitting anta. Where do you find this reference? No. Okay. He will sit in Viruddhajageshwar, look at one of the peaks. That peak looks nice. Let me go there. Antara. He will dematerialize his body,
yes,
rematerialize there. But initially, it took him 45 minutes. And then he will dematerialize and rematerialize. Then it became a moment like he will do that. Ekkada undi?
Yes.
A reference? Personal reference.
Yes.
Like that, so many things.
Similarly, there was a story about the Swami Dayananda Saraswati, who was against these Vedic practices, etc. He came for a discourse, for a debate in Varanasi. And when somebody told us, Trailinga Swami sitting there scribbled a few lines and asked somebody to give it to him. After reading it, he went back. This I heard somewhere. I asked once about this to Guruji. He said, clearly described what was there in those few lines. Who either only Dayananda Saraswati has to tell us, he is not there, he has not left any record, or Trailinga Swami knows about it. How could Sivananda Murty garu tell us about what is there in it? So like that, there are
something like that always around him. Mysterious. If someone can be mysterious and obvious at the same time.
Can you tell us about his connection to Varanasi or Kasi? He had a special affinity towards it. He went there several times, and he was very familiar with it. Whenever our people say he's a different person. In Varanasi, he knows every nook and corner.
He was walking so fast in Varanasi,
as if it is his birthplace.
I ran all the way to him.
Yes,
sir,
can you give some?
We are all running behind you. No. I thought I was walking slowly. This is slow walk, sir. We are not able to catch up with you. You know, Ramanan, I can run like a cat and I can run like a mouse and walk like a cat. Sorry. What is his affinity for Kasi? He says it has 27,000 years of recorded history.
Yes.
The oldest living city in the entire world. Every particle of sand is Shivalingam. There is not even one great soul which has not visited Kasi. The greatness of Kasi is that there are many areas in India which are not visited by Devas. But Kasi is a place where everyone has visited.
I see.
That is the thing. Imagine Rama leading Sita into the boat and Lakshmana standing by. This is all history.
Okay.
You would say Rudra is prehistoric. Mahabharata, Ramayana is proto-history. Mahabharata is current history for us. Like that. So Kasi, Mahasmasanam, Anandavanam. That is why I kept the name as Anandavanam for this. Mahasmasanam is the burning of the karmas of people. All samskaras of
people. He used to go there unannounced also, and all arrangements would have been made by Mahadeva himself for him to receive him.
Yes.
You have any special experience, one such thing? You accompanied him in all the pilgrimages?
Once to Kasi I went with him.
About other Jageshwar?
Jageshwar, Arunachal Pradesh.
Did you accompany to Badrinath, Kedarnath?
Yes, I went with him.
You were present when he had a divine
I took
vision
pictures of
in Kedarnath. He was a dancer.
Yeah. And
Can you describe it?
I asked him also.
Please.
I would know how. I don't know how you will take the answer.
Yes.
He said, I committed the mistake of seeing the form, slipping into seeing the form. I committed the mistake of seeing the form.
I see.
What is his level?
Yes.
Then?
And the
Yes,
face was recorded.
Yeah.
Yes. We
Yes,
saw it
I have
in a
taken
video form.
Yeah, like that.
Yes.
Like that. And then at the entrance
Ecstasy
of the
manifested.
ecstasy, ecstatic he was.
Hmm.
Once I went with him to Kanchi Mutt to see Jayendra Saraswati Swamy and Vijayendra Saraswati Swamy. When he was standing, I became ecstatic. I was singing and dancing around him, went around him.
I see.
And he kept standing.
Mm-hmm.
He was very pleased.
Mm-hmm.
Like that. Kedarlo, adi chesaru.
That is
the thing.
one thing.
And
And another thing, did he mention anything about Ayodhya being the ideal capital of India?
oh yes, he told me.
What is it?
He said the right thing to do is make Ayodhya as the capital of
He
this
said
country.
everything is wrong with Delhi.
Delhi, yes. And it is obvious to us
Yes.
also.
Can you explain?
Yeah, he
further?
said Ayodhya should be the capital of India.
Yes. Will it become another again?
Maybe. Before that,
Did he make any prediction?
no,
No.
not. I have not heard.
Okay.
But before that, at least one thing they can do.
I see.
The government in power, the entire cabinet should visit Ayodhya,
I see.
pray to Rama, and then come back and rule from Delhi.
I see.
And he said, that is not happening, but Ayodhya has become a reality now. The temple is there,
So he has come here to make India vibrant
vibrant.
and get back to its original form. I
Yes,
think
his
that's a great
and
service to humankind.
classic
and karma.
sentence is politics divides, culture unites. And,
I see.
so,
Like that, his quotable quotes are, I think, in
no. Is this? See, he. It's at the end of an explanation. He said this sentence. You say that the country was in tatters in different parts. It was never a single country. Not at all so. No. Not at all so. India's unity is neither geographical nor political. It is cultural. And the name of that culture is spirituality. Even during those days when the neighboring kingdoms were always quarreling, the Yatri was going from Rameswaram to Himalayas and back.
Yes.
So what unites? Politics divides, culture unites.
Exactly.
I think we should bring it back.
Yes.
He always used to lament, 80% of Indians have not seen even 20% of the country.
Yeah, that is another famous.
That is one of the reasons why he wanted people to take to Yatra. He told me one thing, I am unable to do it. He said, once in 3 months, you take children on a Yatra.
Yes, that's right. Another thing before we conclude, can you tell us what needs to be done now to perpetuate the memory, exalted memory of Sivananda Murty garu, to tell the world like what is being done in Ramanashram at Arunachalam. Is there anything we should do?
Yes.
What is it to be done? What is it we can do, people like us?
Yeah. Number one, you should be examples
Yes.
of what he taught.
Yes.
That is the thing. Because his mission was one-to-one to make us into a temple, living temple. There are two things, Sastry Garu. One is what he taught, what he gave by way of advice on many things. That we should strictly follow.
Okay.
The second thing is he has given us practices, spiritual practices, that we should follow. They should go hand in hand. Yoga and jnana should go hand in hand. Then when you do it, even without creating a program or an agenda, you will be expressing yourself.
Yes.
And that will certainly touch others. The presence of the master, when you become aware of it,
Yes.
it will touch others.
Yes.
నాకు చెప్పారు ఇప్పుడు
Ramanan, Just now you described about a few miracles. Even these miracles can be explained in some other way. It may have looked like miracles to you, may not be to me or somebody else. But at one time I heard that our Guru Garu has lifted a car which is fast skidding into a canal or a river when a heavy downpour, when everyone has given up hopes, and a car was full of people. This was told by his own son who was driving the car. He described it, but unfortunately he is no more. I cannot ask him for corroboration. Did it ever come to your knowledge? Because this is a miracle of the first order according to me.
He told me.
Really?
Please tell me. So they were going and...
when was it?
That I don't know.
Okay.
I don't remember.
What did he tell me?
Suddenly there was flood.
Yes, sir.
In that flood, the car was coming down. I mean, going back, going down.
And going ready to fall in the river.
So he got out of the car, put his toe, stopped it.
Yes, sir.
And then I think Bobby was driving the car.
And he pushed
He could shift gear.
With the entire load.
With the entire number of passengers. It was an ambassador, I think. His strength is perplexing. I tell you.
Yes.
Achatulu unnai kada. That can pierce his skin. He told me. Blood was chestundi athaniki. Even a small grain of rice. Okay. Then one day.
Especially his feet are like petals. Rose petals.
Yes.
When you touch
yes. Fluffy feet. I miss them. The other thing is, I have seen one day he kept on asking me, "Are you in a hurry?" No, sir. Will you wait? No, yes, sir. Then some visitors, sir. I will dispose them off quickly. Can you wait? I'll, sir. Wait, sir. What is there? And then he disposed them off. I had to go to the temple and come back. You think you can wait? Sir, wait, what's the problem, sir? I will wait. He goes to the temple, I go to the kitchen. So I ate, I came back. And quickly he finished his puja and came. You're waiting. Okay, right. Now, I wanted to tell you, first you have your food and come. I have eaten. Please eat and come. Is it okay? Alaganara? Sir. Okay, I will come. You'll wait, kada? Sir, I will wait. He went inside, had his food and came. Ilak Chusar. You know his famous I want some space here. And I cheppi, you know the chair in which he used to sit. With 2 fingers, he lifted the chair and threw it. With 2 fingers, he just lifted. Even a particle of rice can cause injury to him. No, blood will come. With 2 fingers, he lifted the chair and threw it aside. You know, I am a born yogi.
Really?
And then he showed some yogic postures, how to do. Danike, he wanted the space. Padmasana, sir. We have legs, kada. He doesn't have legs. He has only, his legs are made of butter. అలా వెళ్తుంది పద్మాసనం అంటే ఇది ఇక్కడ ఇట్ ప్రెసెస్ హియర్ అలా బాబ్జీ వాస్ దేర్ మన తాడేపల్లిగూడెం బాబ్జీ వాస్ ఆల్సో దేర్ అట్ దట్ టైమ్ సో హిస్ స్ట్రెంగ్త్ ఈస్ అ వెరీ మిస్టీరియస్ థింగ్ స్టమక్ విల్ బి అప్సెట్ ఫర్ స్టూపిడ్ రీజన్ స్మాల్ థింగ్ అట్లా ఉంటుంది.
Like that, he could go without food for months.
And he has eaten.
And he can eat like a Rakshasa.
Ankokati, he said there is something called yogic hunger.
I see.
ఎప్పుడైనా ఒకసారి వస్తుంది. అప్పుడు ఆగలేను. I have to have food. Somebody must give food. I should not ask for food.
I see.
మన ఇంట్లో ఉంటే ఆకలేస్తుంది అంటే వీళ్ళు ఆస్క్ కదా. ఆ యోగిక్ హంగర్ వస్తున్నప్పుడు he should not ask for food, but he must have food. అది ఏ లేడీ ఆఫర్డ్ హిమ్ ఫుడ్ లైక్ దట్ ఇట్ సీమ్స్.
I see.
చాలా బ్లెస్ చేశాను అని చెప్పారు.
And one time, once when he was in Guntur, he was invited for 10 householders to offer food. Everywhere he
he told me.
with a full stomach.
ఊరు తెలియదు నాకు, బట్ 7 houses continuously I ate.
Raghavendra told us. And he would go without food for months. He didn't eat anything.
No, 42.
It was just a water he survived.
42 months or so, he was eating only that ganji from rice. అప్పుడు అనంతయ్య used to buy vegetables. For what? He will cook for Anantaya.
I see.
So he will ask Anantaya what vegetables you like అని చెప్పి he will cook for him, but he will take only that.
Ramanan, is there any occasion when you spent with him all alone? Anytime?
Yeah, yes.
Can you
In
recount
Divan
that
Cheru
experience?
near Rajamandri, our Dr. Rambabu, KVS Subramanyam అంటారు, మనకు రాంబాబు అంటే కానీ తెలియదు.
Yes.
He had built a small Gurudam. I happened to go there. I stayed with him for 3 full days.
Yes.
Very hot April, and there was no power. You can imagine how it was. At that time, he is telling me a sentence. If you want to irritate me, look sleepy before me, అన్నారు. నాకు విపరీతంగా నిద్ర వస్తుంది. టన్స్ అండ్ టన్స్ ఆఫ్ స్లీప్, ఐఎమ్ నాట్ ఏబుల్ టు కీప్ మై ఐస్ ఓపెన్, అండ్ హీఈస్ లుకింగ్ ఇన్ టు మై ఐస్ అండ్ స్పీకింగ్. ఎట్లా ఉంటుంది, కొంచెం ఇట్టట్టు చూడకూడదా, స్ట్రైట్ ఈజ్ లుకింగ్ ఇన్ టు మై ఐస్ లైక్ దట్ అని వెరీ వెరీ హై విజ్డమ్ ఏదో చెప్పి హీఈస్ ట్రయింగ్ టు ఇనిషియేట్ మీ ఇన్ టు సంథింగ్. చూడండి నా పరిస్థితి. అప్పుడు అది ఏమంటారు, విసిరి అంటాం మనం, వాట్ యు సే, దిస్ ఫ్యాన్. సో ఐ థాట్ టు divert my attention and somehow keep awake. I took that visiri and started fanning him. Sit down. Did I ask you to? అన్నారు. ఈ బాబు నా పరిస్థితి. అప్పుడు he gave me a practice, ఒక హై స్పిరిచువల్ ప్రాక్టీస్ ఇచ్చారు. ఇచ్చేది ఎలాగ చేయాలని చెప్పారు. ఒక చిన్న డెమో ఇచ్చారు. అండ్ వాట్ విల్ హ్యాపన్ ఇఫ్ యూ డూ దిస్ ప్రాక్టీస్, 1, 2, 3, I think 4 ఇండికేషన్స్ చెప్పారు. చెప్పి ఓకే అని హీ గాట్ అప్, వెంట్ టు దట్ బెడ్రూమ్, నో ఫ్యాన్, నథింగ్. హీ ఫెల్ ఆన్ ది బెడ్. అబ్బా రమణన్, ఐ హ్యావ్ గివెన్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ టు యూ అన్నారు. నేను బయట వచ్చాను, ఎవరు లేరు. సో మై ఫస్ట్ ఇన్స్టింక్ట్ వాస్ టు ప్రాక్టీస్ వాట్ హీ టాట్ మీ. ఐ సాట్ అప్ అండ్ ప్రాక్టీస్డ్. శాస్త్రి గారు, వాట్ ఎవర్ హీ సెడ్ వుడ్ హ్యాపన్ ఆఫ్టర్ days or months or years of practice.
They happened right now?
Right then it happened to me.
You are blessed in that.
Why?
Okay, Ramanan, what is it we can do?
One more thing. So that is only half a part. అక్కడ ఇలా సడన్లీ ఒక విశ్వరూపం లాగా చూపించారు. హీ ఆక్యుపైడ్ దట్ ఎంటైర్ రూమ్. అలా ఉంది. నేను ఐ వాస్ లైక్ ఎ పూర్ పిటియబుల్ క్రీచర్ స్టాంప్డ్ ఆన్ ద వాల్ లైక్ దట్, స్టక్ ఆన్ ది వాల్ లైక్ దట్. ఐ వాస్ సీయింగ్ హిమ్. ఇలా సడన్లీ హీ రిమూవ్డ్ హిస్ దట్ పంచ. నెవర్ ఎవర్ బిఫోర్ డివినిటీ హ్యాస్ టచ్డ్ ది ఎర్త్ లైక్ దిస్ అన్నారు.
Can you repeat?
Yeah, never ever before divinity has touched the earth like this. When I stand up, the earth is under my feet. The thraldom of the thraldom of stars and moon and sun are under my nose. You know who I am? Will I ever forget that?
Like it is another Viswarupa Sandarsana.
ఇలా చూశాను. ఇప్పుడు అది అట్లాగే ఉంది. టోటల్ వైట్, బ్రైట్ లైట్, అబ్సల్యూట్ లైట్. ఇటానగర్లో యజ్ఞం చేస్తారు. ఒక చిన్న గుడి అని ఒక మంటపం అవుట్ సైడ్ యజ్ఞం చేస్తున్నారు. నేను దూరంగా ఉన్నాను. ఉండి దర్ వాస్ అ థాట్ ఇన్ మీ, గురుగారు, హౌ నైస్ ఇట్ వుడ్ బి ఇఫ్ ఐ కుడ్ సీ యువర్ ఆరా అని మనసులో అనుకున్నాను. హీ లుక్డ్ అట్ మీ. దెన్ హీ రిటర్న్ టు ది యజ్ఞం. ఓహో, ఎంటైర్ బీయింగ్ ఆఫ్ లైట్ రోజ్ ఫ్రమ్ హిమ్. Entire being of light rose from him and moved to his left like this for a while. I was standing and seeing in daylight, and then it came back and settled into him. He looked at me.
You are really blessed, my dear sir.
అందుకే నేను ఒక మాటే అతనికి చెప్పాను మధురైలో. హీ వాజ్ సో హ్యాపీ with the feeding of people, adanta నాకు tears of joy. Sir, I wanted to tell you something. We are crossing a road, small road. I wanted to tell you something, but it will sound impertinent. No, out with it. Tell me, Nar. I'm a damn lucky rascal, sir. He punched my stomach.
Okay.
Yes.
Ramananji, what is it we can do to because whenever I see Tiruvannamalai and what they are doing to Ramana Maharshi, I really long to see such a thing to happen. Because more than that, here is a master who has given thousands of years teachings.
Yes.
And there are so many miracles like you. There must be thousands
many,
of people who must have several experiences. Now
Yeah.
we are fortunate to have you, but you are not loner.
Yeah.
He must have given these.
I'm just a loose-tongued fellow, so I go.
No, even the loose-tongued fellows we can gather and put somewhere, make them speak out.
Yes.
What is it we can do?
See,
so that our master's memory will be forever.
Your Ramanashram reference is very pertinent, very appropriate also. We have such a facility also.
I see.
In Bhimalipatnam, the Dhyana Mantram is there. One should make proper use of it. If you expect outsiders to come and meditate, it will not work.
Okay.
The insiders should show the way.
Okay.
They will all go there and spend time in meditation.
Yes.
That is how it should begin. Okay, adi pakkana pettandi. Every one of us in our own homes we can do. The thing is, the teachings which he has given us, we should follow. They are not difficult to follow. He will never give anything which we cannot follow.
Okay. Yes.
Number one. Number two, the practices which he has given, just because he spoke it simply, mostly over a cup of coffee, we don't take them seriously. We should do these practices. If you do both, without your knowledge, without your noticing it, you will become effulgent. Yes. You will attract people. Gurugaru annaru, not exactly similar, but somewhat similar to what I told you now. He said, my presence in you will attract people towards you. Since you will always remember it, you will not get into any problem. And he winked at me.
Oh, I see. Okay. And he would not have given all these experiences, special experiences to you, just like that, just for the speck of it.
Yes.
There must have been a divine purpose. So he must have given you, allowed you to these kinds of previews into his great
colossal personality.
Yes, personality. So what are you going to do about it?
I am doing it.
Yes. What are your plans?
One thing, I am following his teaching. Fortunately.
And how do you want to make the world be aware of?
Yeah, I'll tell you.
Please.
It starts from home.
Yes.
Like charity, clarity also begins from home.
From home.
Okay.
Excellent.
So I am blessed with a good wife.
Yes.
We are walking on the path together.
Okay.
So her thinking, there is nothing in her mind apart from thinking about Guruji, speaking about him, talking about him. మేమిద్దరూ ఉంటే మా సత్సంగం అయిపోతుంది. సో వీ డోంట్ రిక్వైర్ ఎనీథింగ్ ఎల్స్. అది నంబర్ వన్. నంబర్ టూ, వీ లివ్ యాజ్ సింప్లీ యాజ్ పాసిబుల్. సింపుల్గా ఉంటాం. వీఆర్ నాట్ అఫ్లూయెంట్. దట్ ఆల్సో హెల్ప్స్ ఇన్ బీయింగ్ సింపుల్. Number three, I address people almost every day whatever subject they give, I speak on Guruji only. Any subject they may give. About climate in Zambia, ani vaadu chepte kuda I will be speaking about Guruji only. That is my purpose.
Okay.
He asked me to do so.
Okay.
Open your mouth ani chepparu.
Okay.
When I was not a speaker,
Okay.
he asked me to go out and speak. So what do I know to speak about, sir? I don't know. ఎవరితో మాట్లాడుతున్నారు అప్పుడు చెప్తున్నా. I asked you to go out and speak అన్నారు. మళ్ళీ గట్టిగా చెప్పారు. నేను సార్ ఐ కాంట్ థింక్ కోహరెంట్లీ, నాకు నేను చదువులేదు ఏమి, సో కాన్సెప్చువలైజ్ చేసి ఐ కెనాట్ స్పీక్ అంటే అలా చెప్తే ఏమన్నారంటే స్టాండ్ బిఫోర్ అ మైక్, క్లోజ్ యువర్ ఐస్ అండ్ ఓపెన్ యువర్ మౌత్ అన్నారు. మళ్ళీ హీస్ కంటిన్యూయింగ్ ది కాన్వర్సేషన్ విత్ పీపుల్. నేను అనుకుంటాను వాట్ ఈస్ దట్ ఐ కెన్ స్పీక్, ఐ సే ఈస్ ఆస్కింగ్ మీ టు స్పీక్, ఐ డోంట్ ఈవెన్ నో మై సెల్ఫ్ అంటే సడన్గా అగైన్ హీ టర్న్స్ టువర్డ్స్ మీ, ఓ యూ డోంట్ హ్యావ్ టు వెయిట్ ఫర్ దట్ సో కాల్డ్ సెల్ఫ్ రియలైజేషన్, ఆర్ యూ కన్విన్స్డ్ అబౌట్ దిస్ పాత్ ఆర్ నాట్. ఎస్ సార్, యువర్ కన్విక్షన్ విల్ ఇన్స్పైర్ అదర్స్, గో అవుట్ అండ్ స్పీక్ అన్నారు. ఇది ఫస్ట్ పార్ట్ శాస్త్రి గారు. నేను బయట వస్తున్నాను, ప్రసాదం తీసుకొని బయట వస్తున్నాను, ఫోన్ వస్తుంది, విజయవాడ నుంచి ఫోన్ వస్తుంది. దట్ మంత్ దే బుక్డ్ మీ ఫర్ 9 speeches. That one single month in 9 colleges they booked me. I'm not
so he has made the arrangement first and then let you know.
So then when I come back to him after finishing all that, how is the public address system doing? అని అడుగుతారు.
That is Guru
గారు చెప్పి on a serious note, I will give you my eyes. You see the world, look at the world through my eyes. I will use your voice and speak. So అది నడుస్తుంది.
Yes, that is what he is doing to me also. I am seeing
ante
the world through his eyes and speaking his voice through.
అవును అంతే.
Okay, sir, it's a great pleasure talking to you.
Thank you.
We remembered our master.
నాకు ఫస్ట్ ప్లెజర్ ఇస్ మీటింగ్ మై బ్రదర్ ఆఫ్టర్ లాంగ్ టైమ్ అండ్ టుగెదర్ స్పీకింగ్ అబౌట్ గురుజీ. చాలా సంతోషం.
శివానంద నమో యతి సన్మార్గదర్శి మమదేశ కేంద్ర.
నమస్కారం.
నమస్తే.